Hello everyone, welcome here. How to ask great questions in this particular course journey. Quick help. Your great questions will be answered on Google Try at first. And the second level, look at errors in formulas you are written, code you are written, and implementation of syntax any of the error issues. It may be resolved in stackoverflow.com. One of the best technical forum where many of the super seniors get their questions answered, like this type of query errors and code errors earlier. Write us. For using this option, you can write us like any of a query related to the code. With error code and screenshot if you shared us, we will resolve and based on the lecture how it is you practiced any issues, we will try to respond you as early as possible. And also you have a ChatGPT tool to resolve very simply in your query in less time. Thank you.